Hello from Cherries! In this minute, we want to learn one of the methods for double exposure. As you can see, we have two layers with two different images we want to make the exposure. First, we change the blending mode from normal to screen mode on the top layer. Then, we can use the Move tool to freely move the blended image over the base image. Now, to remove the extra parts of the blended image, we click on the layer mask and choose Eraser from the tools and adjust the eraser size. Then, we carefully remove the extra parts. We made a double exposure using blending mode in Photoshop. Hope you like this technique in 1 minute.